how to set live wallpaper from Pinterest. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by opening up Pinterest directly. And once we open up Pinterest, here we'll be finding different pins available that we can pin. And what you can do is you can basically find that particular video that you would like to set as a live wallpaper, either from your main home screen, or you can use the search and find that live wallpaper. For that, you can just go over and search for the live wallpaper. Directly just go over and type in video wallpaper or similar kind of a search, and you can find that particular video. For example, if I would like to set this video as my live wallpaper, you can just go over and find that particular video. Once you have found the video, what we need to do is we need to copy the link. So for that, tap on the three dot and then we can look out for this copy link option and copy up the link. And the thing is, we do not have a download option like we do for images in Pinterest. So we need to download it from other extensions available. So you can just go over and use any of the video downloader available and download the Pinterest video from your Pinterest. And once you do so, you can just go over and find the video on your gallery. For example, something like this. And once you find it up, you can tap on the three dot and look out for this option called set as wallpaper and directly set it as wallpaper. This is one of the method available. You can just go over and tap on this option called set as wallpaper, and you can set it either as your lock screen or your call background. You can just go over and tap on one of the method available and set it as your wallpaper. This is one of the process available. You can just go over and set it up, and the wallpaper will be set on your device. So Pinterest directly does not have a feature available yet that lets us directly use that, video as a wallpaper yet. So you may follow up this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.